Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video I will show you to connect Claude to WordPress website. So this one is my demo website. Now I can log in wp-admin to log in into WordPress website. Here I can add login details, then add the password. After that press enter. Now I am logged in. Here I need to go in plugins. Now I need to deactivate some plugins. So these are few plugins installed. Let me deactivate, then click apply button. Then again click apply. So all the plugins are deactivated. Now I need to go and search for this plugin. I can open this website, then get this plugin. Now here you can fill out the form. Here you can add your Gmail account. Then accept terms and conditions. After that click subscribe button. Scroll down and get the plugin zip file. So let me select the folder, this one. After that I need to go back and upload the plugin file here. Click upload and then select the file. Here in D drive, this one is the file. After that click install button. Then click activate the plugin. Now let's go back and search for Claude desktop. You can get it from here. Just you need to click on download button. Then after installation you can download for Windows. You can also download it for the Mac operating system and different other devices. So after downloading, here you can search for Claude. So this one. And now expand it to the full screen. Now let me log out and then click get started. Here we need to add the Gmail account. So let me type here. Then after that click here continue with email. Now let me go back and check the email folder. This one. Scroll down. Sign in to Claude AI. Open Claude. Okay, that's fine. Now I need to go back in website. Here you can see we have installed this plugin. Now let's go back in the WordPress dashboard. Click here configuration. Then you need to turn on AI abilities for this site. Click save setting. Scroll down. Then here you need to generate the application password. Okay, that's fine. Now here you need to select one of the options. So let me select this one. As we are using desktop, scroll down and after that click here manual setup. Now you can copy this one and then go back to the Claude, then file, then settings, then developer, edit configuration. Make sure that you have installed any of the compiler. Here you can go and type for VS Code download. You can also use Sublime Text and different type of other compilers so that you can easily open this file. Okay, open it. Now you can remove anything inside this file, then paste that code that we got from here, from the website. After that, file, then just save it. That's done. Then close it, and then also close the Claude from here. Now again go back and type Claude, then open it. Okay, after that go to files, then settings, then developer. Here you can see website is connected. Now let's see. Here if I can go to blog post, now I can ask create a blog post in my website, how to create a video using AI. After that press enter. Okay, here you can see blog post is published. Now let me go back to my website and reload this page. That looks fine. Now I can view this blog post. Then scroll down. Here you can see that's done. So in this way you can easily use Claude AI tool for your WordPress website.